Conditioned Air Solutions strives for excellence, and that's why we are proud to offer quality Daikin products. Daikin started in Japan, but today they're manufacturing HVAC units right here in the United States. Recently, we took a trip to Fayetteville, Tennessee to visit the Daikin manufacturing facility to see just how these phenomenal machines come together. We were able to get a behind-the-scenes look at the assembly line as a unit was being built, tested, and made ready for shipment. The base pan that the unit sits on is high-grade steel and pre-pressed to accommodate all the components necessary to manufacture a gas heating and electric cooling HVAC product. The indoor cooling coils are made from strong aluminum tubing, which is used because of aluminum's resistance to the deteriorating effects of known indoor pollutants. The high-efficiency scroll compressor is the heart of the cooling system. They all have a 12-year warranty that is backed by Daikin Industries. The wiring packages are pre-wired in a sub-assembly area and made ready to install by the highly skilled workforce at the Fayetteville facility, which employs more than 1,600 people. All employees are well-trained and must meet strict standards before working on the production line. Outstanding work is required for a completely sealed refrigerant operating system. The heat exchanger is the heart of the heating system, and as with all Daikin gas heating products, it is manufactured from high-grade stainless steel. This critical component has a lifetime warranty, but with Daikin using stainless steel, you will probably never need to use it. The cooling coil for the outdoor unit dissipates the heat captured by the indoor coil as it cools your home. This coil is large and must be shaped to provide maximum space in the unit. This heat transfer surface is made with aluminum fins and copper tubing. The forming of the outdoor coil requires special care not to distort the fins and protect inside of the copper tubes. The special tools and well-trained technicians form the coil and install it in the base of the unit as it moves on the assembly line. As the sealing of the system nears completion, it is pressurized to make sure it will not leak during operation. The now sealed refrigerant system is evacuated to remove all byproducts of assembly, air, moisture, and to prove the system is fully sealed. The top assembly is installed with supporting structure components to start the cooling and heating final testing. All heating components are tested through the run cycle as well. We have actually been testing a stainless steel unit at our Fayetteville facility for several years, and it is still running strong. It's quality that works. As the unit nears the end of assembly, the compressor, both fans, and motors are tested to be sure the unit is performing to engineering specifications and passes all safety checks successfully. All Daikin indoor air handling sections are tested to 2% or less outdoor air leakage. The units are then wrapped carefully for shipping. And there you have it, a finished product completely assembled in Fayetteville, Tennessee by local employees.